hello, good evening, नमस्कार दोस्तों. Hope you guys are doing good. आशा कर रहा हूँ आप लोग सब कोई सही होंगे, तंदुरुस्त होंगे and taking care of your family and everyone. This is a special video because I have something very special to announce for all of you. Please give me enough time to express my happiness and my my feelings in front of all of you. I'm very excited about this because what we have built over the last couple of years has been a source of excitement for me in my life. And I'm sure this initiative, the new initiative which we have taken, will also add to the excitement in your life. When I started this journey of educating everyone in 2008, I started with an offline center in Calcutta in the name of Curated Academy. The thought process of educating everyone was that we as humans, we need to give back to society, and teaching is the best way you can give back to society. I started an offline center in Calcutta in 2008, and that offline center later got migrated to an online platform called elanmarkets.com in 2014. 2013-14 was the time when internet was growing very fast in India thanks to geo penetration. And I realized that if I have to reach to larger audience, if I have to reach to everyone in the country and teach them the right way to look at stock market, it has to be through internet. We established a platform called elanmarkets.com as India's first video-based financial market tutorial platform. After educating people, while I was educating them, some of you said that we want a proper data analytics platform from you because the existing platforms like Money Control and other platforms were quite heavy, quite you know uh, not so great UI. So people requested that I should create a analytic platform, and that's where we created StockEdge Club. We created StockEdge in 2016, and we launched StockEdge as a data analytics and neutral platform, which will help you to become a sensible investor. StockEdge, with the intention of not uh, pushing you to transact more, is a neutral analytic platform which we have been running since 2016. In the meanwhile, YouTube happened 2018-19. YouTube became quite big, and we immediately realized that if again we have to reach to larger audience, we need to record quality knowledge content in YouTube. And we started the journey of face to face, learn to trade, learn to invest, investment themes, and so on. I'm very happy to say that in YouTube, all the channels combined, we have almost 2 million subscribers with more than 150 million views in all the videos which we have recorded till date. It has been 6 years of very intense journey, very engaging journey, and very honest journey in educating everyone in our country. We have been working very hard. In 2020, some of you asked us to create a premium community where they can work together. We can learn together. We can express ourselves together. We can seek answers to the queries which we may have. That's led to the birth of StockEdge Club, a community which is meant for only serious market participant, active market participant who would like to do things on their own, learn and ask right questions with our team of analysts. Since last couple of months, you know, a lot of people have been telling us about two things. One, you need a decision making tool where you can clearly make a decision when to buy, when to sell. We have been working a lot for the last few years on creating a objective tool where you clearly get signals of buying, selling, or reviewing. That's momentum score. Some of you who have been following us know the art of momentum score. Stockage created the momentum score. We are the first one who created three category of momentum score: 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month. So for a short-term trader, 1 month is relevant. For a mid-term trader, 3 month is relevant, and for a momentum investor or long swing trader, 6 month is relevant. As part of this momentum score initiative, We thought it is important for us to give a ready-made portfolio to people who are interested in investing in stocks where momentum is there. To fulfill that requirement of everyone, we are proud today to launch small case stockage small cases. Let me share the screen and show you everything about stockage small case. I'm using a small presentation for this purpose. Stockage small cases basically will have six baskets to start off with. We definitely intend to launch more and more such baskets depending upon the objective of each and every basket. To start off with, we have identified a couple of indices from where momentum stocks can be identified using StockEdge Momentum Score. So these are the six baskets which we present to you. First thing is the Nifty 50 Top 10. Nifty 50 Top 10, the most highly low risk uh, basket, which tries to beat Nifty by incorporating only stocks, top 10 stocks who have the highest momentum at this stage. Our formula of identifying momentum is based out of momentum score, which we have developed 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month. Obviously, we have done fair bit of uh, permutation and combination in arriving at the final momentum weightages we have given to these scores to find the top 10 stocks on a momentum. We have done the back testing. We have seen the results, and we are very happy about the result. Particularly when market was not good, we have seen very good outperformance of this particular momentum basket for all of you. So, in case you want a strategy which has potential to beat Nifty with a high margin, then this momentum basket could be very interesting for you. Low risk, but higher chance of beating the Nifty. Okay. Second, we have this Nifty Next 50, which is one of my favorite indices, which has higher beta, higher slipperiness. That's why the stocks identifying here will have a higher beta. Always remember, stocks with higher beta will have tendency to produce higher momentum. So yes, it is high risk, but it has potential to generate higher return. This is what we have observed in last 5 years of our backtesting. We have gone live since yesterday in a small case. I will show you the link. Uh, this particular momentum, the Nifty Next 50, can produce far bigger and better result than the index itself. Stockage Momentum Nifty 200. Again, it comprises of Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, and next 100 stocks. Again, the same concept. This index is a larger basket, so it has higher probability of volatility and obviously higher probability of generating money. So again, the last few years of backtested result shows the outperformance of this index vis-a-vis the index. The Nifty 200 gave a CAGR of 13%, whereas Stockage Momentum Nifty 200 gave a backtesting CAGR of 32%. And this Stockage momentum is derived out of momentum score, which is calculated inside Stockage, which most of you know about the momentum score inside Stockage. Nifty 500 top 10 again is the top 10 momentum stocks from Nifty 500. That will be could be large cap, could be mid cap, could be small cap, depending upon the market conditions. And here also we have seen the result is quite interesting. Although during the market underperformance, this has tendency to underperform the market, but over a period of time, it has outperformed the index. I always suggest to people that have two cases for yourself. One out of these momentum, okay, which one suits you, suits your mentality, and other is some fundamental oriented stocks. For example, the mother stocks concept, which I have, which basically means the stocks which are fundamentally good, which has babies as well, and there is a higher probability of long term sustainable return in these stocks. The outperformance vis-a-vis Nifty is quite evident. The logic is very simple. All the mother stocks should tend to outperform Nifty together because they are mother stocks. Okay. Remember, it is not a simple 1 is to 1 where all 12 stocks are invested in equal proportion. No, every month there will be change in the weightage in every stock. There are some stocks where weightage could be same. There are some stocks weightage could be different depending upon the valuation of the stock. So what we have done is we have created a dynamic allocation model where the number of stocks you will buy in these model stocks will change depending upon the model which you have taken. And the last is for very long term. It is basically a composition of equity, gold, liquid Bs. And we have again created a dynamic allocation model which helps you to literally perform with the market but try to outperform a bit. For a long term investor, this I think is a brilliant option because it gives you a slightly higher CAGR than Nifty because of the allocation techniques. And this definitely gives you a lot of peace of mind if you would like to do that. So this is all about the current small cases which we have launched. I'm very, very proud of the work we have done. The entire StockEdge team is extremely committed to well-being of Indian investors. We have been in the forefront in helping people to learn, helping people to analyze the market, helping people to take decision using automated tools like chart pattern, momentum scores, etc. Now, this is our first step towards managing other people's money, which a lot of you have been saying me, "Hey, sir, we want you to manage our money. This is what we are beginning our journey as manager of your money, and we are very, very mindful that we will not do anything which has a bit of chance of you losing your hard earned money. So what I am expecting from most of you is become part of this new revolution, become part of this small case investments which we want to introduce. And for benefit of everyone who doesn't know how to access this, let me take you through again screen sharing. And this is the page, stockageinvest.smallcase.com. You will be able to see all our small cases here. Okay, why our return will not show? Because it's a new a small case we are launching, so we cannot show you historical return because we can't show a backtested result as per SEBI law. Okay, so these are the small cases which you can subscribe. You can also visit a StockEdge app. You can you can upgrade the Android app. It's already live. Web.stockage.com already has it. As you can see here, the small cases are available. You just click here small cases and it will take you to the page of small case and you can accordingly subscribe. If you have to ask me, I will anyway subscribe to long term portfolio like the ETF dynamic wealth allocator because this will be for my kids. Mother stocks again will be for my kids, which I will keep on SIP. It's important to do SIP in these two. Okay, and depending upon my peace of mind, I will definitely subscribe to Nifty 200 because it has higher potential. And if I want to take more risk, because the volatility will be high, I would subscribe to Stockage Momentum Nifty 500. This is the output which we have so far created. I hope to give you more in days to come because this is the beginning of what we are here for. And as a very responsible market participant, I will make sure that we uh, adhere to the compliance defined by the regulator and also to the emotional expectation you will have from us. So, looking forward to more and more people joining our family. Stockage Club members, you should also subscribe to Small Case. Stockage Club is a stock specific interaction platform for people who are not part of Stockage Club. let me just inform you that in StockEdge Club, you are active market participant and you would like to know about a stock or you want to trade in a stock on your own, whereas small case is more passive way of taking position in stocks which our model is producing. So these are two different things. I hope you understand the differentiation, and I'm expecting a lot of you will subscribe to our small case and support us in our endeavor of producing data backed decision systems for all of you. All right. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone. Have a great sleep, and looking forward to a lot of you investing in our small case. Do visit stockage.com, web.stockage.com, or upgrade your Android app. Apple is on the way. All right. Thank you so much. Good night and take care, please.